In front of me is OPPO Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. To clone apps on this OPPO, you don't need any special tricks, you don't need to download any special apps or anything like that, just few simple steps. That's because your OPPO is supporting app cloner that's locating in settings. And now I will show you exactly how to use it. Hit settings, scroll and tap on apps. Then tap on app cloner over here and either click on one of your recommended apps or select other apps to pick any of those you wish to clone. After you decided, use gray switcher next to Create App Clone to activate it. Then manage those two options. You can rename your app, your cloned app actually, however you want to, and hit Save to save its new name. Then tap on Default App to open and apply one of those options by clicking on the best one. Always ask Original App or App Clone. When you finished, you can go back. So now when I check, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. To get rid of this clone, you can always go back to the same settings and use now blue switcher next to Create App Clone. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!